In this video I'm going to show you how to download Monster Hunter Wilds on your PC. So finding the right games can be tough, Steam games can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and like the video. After that we are going to Google, because we have to locate this game on Steam before we can proceed. So search for Steam, go to the Steam store, and after that we are going to the search bar, and there we will type in Wild, and you will see the game Monster Hunter Wilds over here. Select it and we will scroll a little bit down, and as you can see this is quite an expensive game. The cheapest one is starting at €69.99. So I will give you guys a tip. Go into the link in the description in this video and you will be redirected to this website. What we will do there is type in Monster Hunter Wilds and then search. And what we will do next is select games on the left side, so only games will be visible. After that, sort by and then click on price lowest first. What we will do now is scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, the first one you need to check if it's being able to be activated in your country. So the first one is over here, and as you can see, the cheapest one in my country is at the moment €57.99. So that is already a lot cheaper than on Steam, because that is €69.99. So if you want this game much cheaper than on Steam, then go to this website by the link in the description and buy it over here, because you will receive a Steam key, and once you go into Steam then you can use the key to activate the game, and it's basically exactly the same than buying it on Steam, but you will save yourself a lot of money. Once you have downloaded, you can start playing, and I hope these tips will help you to find great games without overspending and keep your PC safe. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!